What's up mga kabongers? For today's video, i-unbox natin yung ating mga Christmas presents. Kaya thank you so much sa lahat po ng mga very thoughtful na ating mga office mates, kaibigan. Kaya maraming salamat po. Di ba? May pagano'n pa. Di ba? So i-unbox natin guys. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga laman behind these wrappers. Thank you so much and Merry Christmas to one and all. Una natin to is from Ma'am Bing Bing. So, actually, tingnan natin ha, ang laman nito. Box natin guys. Wow! Ayun no. So, I have this daily gospel from Ma'am Bing Bing. Thank you so much, Ma'am Bing Bing. Thank you. Every year, guided po tayo sa mga verses, sa mga daily Bible readings. Nandito po siya. The entire 2026. Kaya, thank you so much. And, meron pa tayo from Saint Benedict. Yeah, this is from Arlene Uy, from Saint Benedict. Thank you. Thoughtful naman. This one is from Karen Sweets. Karen, thank you. This one is from Engineer Sunny. Bro, thank you bro. Merry Christmas. This one is from Marilyn. Achi. Thank you, kansamida. Diba? We'll open this one. Wow. Thank you so much, Achi. Nice talaga yung yung paglalagyan. Ang ganda. Oh. Tikman natin. Lahat mong tikman na natin. Marshmallow pala ito. Sarap. Sarap yung marshmallow kasi may laman sa loob. Pochi pala to. Pochi. Pochi. Yeah. Naimas. Harap. This one, green juice from Optifit. This is kiwi cucumber juice with Garcinia Cambogia and chia seeds. Sarap to, sarap. Namin natin ito ngayon. This one is from Roden. Thank you, Roden. Thoughtful din si Roden, no? Uy! Perfume! 35 ml. Perfume. Try natin. Okay, bango ah. Bango. Thank you. Pati mo may tali-tali pa. Galing ah. Galing talaga yung mga ganito na marunong na siya. Ito kay Rowena Tobleron. Thank you. This one is from Ma'am Laling. This one. We'll open na this one. Ito. Uy! T-shirt paldo. Ganda. Suotin natin to. Paldo t-shirt. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lali. Thank you. Yun. This one is from Ma'am Lisa. Social, MLB. Diba? MLB.Korea. Korea pa ito galing. Mga Korean. So, keep natin yung box kasi maganda yung box. Wow! I like this. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng sombrero, guys. 76 World, New York. So, Yankees na tayo ngayon. 47 adjustable. Thank you, Ma'am Lisa. Ang ganda ng... Ganda sobra. Oh! And last but not the least from Ma'am Cheng. Wow, ito bathrobe. Bathrobe? Bathrobe. Bathrobe. Ano to? Ha? Victory. Ay, kumot. Yun, kumot. Thank you so much, Ma'am Cheng. Thank you. Pang malamig talaga to. So, this is really perfect for our UK suit. Manifesting kaya everyone, have a jolly and Merry Christmas. May you enjoy the spirit of Christmas. Let us reflect that Christmas is not about anything but it's all about Jesus. It's about the birth of Jesus Christ. Kung paano niya tayo binigyan ng buhay, paano niya tayo, anong tawag dyan? How is the life of Jesus? And it's not about giving lang naman eh. It's all about sharing and of course, love talaga yung nangingibabaw during Christmas. So, Merry Christmas everyone. Let's share the love and let's give the love one another. Okay, so I love you everyone and Merry Christmas. This is Kabongers wishing you all a Merry and Blessed Christmas to one and all. Kaya kung may natanggap ka man o wala, dapat maging happy ka pa din kasi bakit? Kasi buhay ka pa hanggang ngayon. Kaya yun, malaking regalo na yun ni Lord sa iyo. Kaya Merry Christmas.